Sorry, she keeps bugging me. She doesn't want to leave me be. My goodness. Baby, go. This is Kiwi. We found her out in a highway all by herself, out in a forest, and she's doing really well now. Okay, Kiwi, you got to go down. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's so great to be back. I love doing my intros and outros and saying hi to everybody. It feels like it's been months since I've been on here, and I think it's only been, what, 4 or 5 weeks? Before we begin, please like the video. If you do like the video, hit that subscribe button if you like the content here, and click that notification bell. You will be notified of upcoming videos. All right, let's get into this project. Okay guys, for today's project, we are going to be doing these super cute, easy earrings. Very light to wear. I absolutely love the way that they turned out. First thing you're going to need is an oud plectrum guitar pick. You're going to need a couple of earring beading hoops. You're going to need some pliers. I'm using flat nose pliers today. And you're going to need some earring wire. Today I'm using mine in silver. And high viscosity UV resin. Also today we're going to be needing a light. I'm just using the small one here. It'll be good enough for our project today. And you're going to be needing a nail file and a little wooden stick to move the resin around and a pair of scissors. First thing we're going to do is take our pick and we're going to cut 2 pieces off of our pick. You can do it as long as short as you want. I want mine to fit in the beading hoop. So I'm going to do it probably about 1 inch. I'm going to cut this about 1 inch, but I'm going to eye it. So I'm going to do kitty. So this is approximately 1 inch. That'll fit in there really nicely. So I'm just going to measure with the other side there. Cut it at the same cut as I did the last one. There. Don't throw that away. That'll be another project. Now I'm just going to file them, make sure they're straight, and then I'm going to rough up the surface on both sides, and this just helps the resin adhere to the material. And then I'm just going to round those edges so that they're not sharp, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. I've filed both sides. You don't need to spend too much time filing, just want to rough up the surface just a little bit, and as you can see, it's pretty good. I'm going to bring my piece of wood over. So I'm just going to put a piece of tape down. I've run out of my resin tape, so I'm just going to use this tape for now. This works just as good, and it just holds it in place as I do my work. So I'm going to take one of my beading hoops. Now you want to take some high viscosity resin, and we are going to put a line of resin, and we are going to spread it out and just get it to the edges. We're going to take our wire beading hoop. So this is the back and this is the front. So I'm going to turn it around so that you see the nice side from the back, and I'm going to set it so that this loop here, this hole here, is above the green pick. Kind of eye it up, make sure it's perfectly straight. Now we're going to take our lamp. I'm going to cure it for 150 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to do one more layer of resin, and I just want to cover that back a little bit. So I'm going to do another line, and just going to take my stick and cover that back piece. And then I'm going to go back down the length of the pick, completely cover that bottom part again, and then put it back under the lamp and cure it for another 150 seconds. Okay, so the first part is done. I'm just going to remove it from the tape. I don't need the tape anymore. I'm just going to make sure that the little remaining residue is gone from there. Always using the back of my hand to get that off. Now we're going to do the front. And I'm just going to take the extra piece and put it under here just to keep it a little more level. And take your resin, make your line down the length of the pick, and take your little stick and do the same thing you did with the back, do it to the front now. And this just gives a really nice little dome on the front. It magnifies as well this design that's on this pick. I think it looks really, really nice. Okay, and we are going to do the same thing with the light, 150 seconds. And there we go, the first earring done. I'm just going to take my ear wire and put it on there. There you have it, a really cute pair of earrings made with guitar picks. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you try these. They are super sweet and super simple, and I'm going to be wearing my first pair today. Please go over to my short content, check those out. I've been doing a lot of short content lately. It seems like people, that's what they want, the shorter, the faster the tutorials. So go over and check that out and tell me what you think. Alright, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you back here for the next one. Bye.